Welcome, I'm Ramon Arroyo, graphic designer and programmer, also known as Sublimate. Today we will learn how to sublimate magic mugs in different colors. Let's get started. Here are some examples of the color we will use. First, we are going to sublimate this black magic mug. Next, we will work with glossy pink mug, which shows the difference between matte and glossy finishes. For beginners, magic mugs are called magic because of their thermochromatic paint. This special paint reacts to heat, revealing the design when heated. We will sublimate 3 designs on 3 mugs. One of them features Dragon Ball Super, a popular anime theme. Important tip: always use special sublimation inks, paper, and mugs designs for sublimation. This ensures the best results. Let's begin by placing the design on paper over the mug and securing it with thermal tape. The design size I am using is 9.6 by 20 centimeters, but mug size can vary. Always adjust your image in editing software to fit the mug as CorelDRAW or Illustrator. I apply 2 pieces of tape vertically and 1 horizontally to secure the paper. Sorry for the camera cuts, I am trying not to block the view. A smaller piece of tape might work better, but as long as the paper stays in place, it's fine. Now we are ready to sublimate. Let's turn on the machine and set it up. First cycle 180 degrees Celsius for 130 seconds. Second cycle 175 degrees Celsius for 130 seconds. These 2 cycles ensure the design transfer evenly on both the top and bottom of the mug. I position the mug sideways because placing it upright might cause the paper to shift. Once the press reaches the right temperature, we will place the black magic mug inside. Apply medium to firm pressure. Make sure the mug's handle doesn't touch the sides to avoid damage. After this first cycle, carefully remove the mug, rotate it and place it back in the press. Since it's already warm, the second cycle will be faster. When the press beeps, the cycle is done. Let's check the result. Notice how the black coating turns white with heat, revealing the design. Some areas near the handle might stay black if they didn't get enough heat. The result is a perfect sublimated magic mug. The color shift from black to white makes the design stand out. Be careful when removing excess of paper to avoid damaging the print. Now I will turn on the machine back on to continue with the next mugs. If your mugs have been stored for a while, they might have moisture. Gently preheat them for about 3 seconds to remove humidity. This helps the thermochromatic coating react better. Let's repeat the process. 1. Apply mirror design on the paper. Remember, the design must be mirrored. 2. Secure it with tape. And 3. Run 2 cycles, rotating the mug after the first one. Here is the blue mug. After sublimating, I will submerge the mugs in water to cool them down and show the final results. See how the colors pop up after cooling. Each color has a unique look, so choose based on your preferences. And that's it, Sublimancheros. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video, and let's sublimate.